In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock. Click on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods: numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Then wait 5 seconds to choose Next in the pop-up. And if you change your mind, you don't have to go back, just click on Use a different password type and pick one of those options: 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Then create your login method and repeat it to confirm it. If you want to turn on fingerprint unlock, hit enable in the pop-up. If you don't, select cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!